So different to a lot of photographers. I don't work as in series of photographies. I just make projects and then those projects operate as essays. In this specific series, I wanted to make work that divorce itself from the economic or social failures. I think it's unfair to go and document somebody's factory or like somebody's job and just like aestheticize this problem as like and transmit that narrative that is not yours. Maybe hopefully at some point in my career I will try to help society, but for the moment I'm trying to help myself to understand what I'm experiencing. I look at a lot at history of art and I look a lot at painting. Definitely the news are a big influence. Movies had a huge influence on my work. Definitely the cinematic language, storytelling in the way that most good movies are constructed with a lot of very meaningless scenes and all these things. They, one next to another, they become something meaningful.
Éramos 16, pero nos separamos y la migra agarró a otros y nosotros nos escapamos. Sí, corrimos porque ya nos venían siguiendo atrás y después el helicóptero nos seguía igual, pero como ya agarraron a los otros que se quedaron allá estancados allá, pues allá se quedaron. Y fue donde ellos se detenieron agarrándolo a ellos, a nosotros dejaron.
La noche en el desierto está totalmente oscuro. De momentos aparecía la luna y se veía claro el camino.
Bueno, uno nunca sabe si regresar o no regresar.
Caminamos como 3 noches, partes en bicicleta, partes caminando.
Mantenerse uno despierto de noche por estar un poco más listo del peligro, pues ya sea de cualquiera, que pueda pasar un animal o algo.
Dormíamos allá en el suelo, entre las piedras, entre las ramas.
I think the work that you do is so much part of the identity of people in general. I was thinking about my dad, my grandpa, my mom. They identify as what they do, you know. It's just like my generation, I think it's likely that they can have like 3 jobs or 4 jobs and basically navigating society without the commitment of like becoming what you do. Right now I'm working about ruin porn, you know, economic collapses, and this idea behind a lot of photographers of documenting these buildings. I'm trying to build these spaces in the studio and just think about what it means to document or what it means to photograph. So I just wanted to question if actually people like the aesthetic value of these buildings falling down, or people love the narrative of pain and sadness into anything. It's been really great to be here because I have so much space and time, and it's like the problem that the days fade into each other is been really great too, because sometimes I have a lot of discipline to work, and I get up early and I work until late, but here it's just everything have like this. Stay working until 3 in the morning last night, and I woke up today like 8 and just like shoot a little bit. I think people in the Center for Photography are a really good resource for contemporary photography and history photography. So I would encourage them to spend more time in the office, because I think a lot of people, from the interns to the staff, they're all very knowledgeable about photography. So just like watch and learn